Ming Ming, Ming Mao. Been fighting, been having babies. Today, look at that. Oh, very nice. Vegetable pork balls. Very, very nice meatballs. White rice. Oh, look at that. It's 1:30. And he's just made this nice tomato sauce. I'm on the balcony. I was woken up this morning around 8 o'clock. And that's what I really don't understand about service engineers. They come round to look at the job and then they turn around and say, oh yeah, we'll be back later. What's the point of going into the shop and booking the appointment to get an engineer to come and service your AC? You know, if you're going to service the AC, then you turn up with your tools, don't you? You don't just come knock on somebody's door at 8 o'clock, 8:30 in the morning and then look at it and go, oh yeah, it's an AC unit on the wall. Yeah, okay, we'll be back later. How inconsiderate. How... Oh, anyway, not to worry. I'm going to have my lunch while I wait for the infamous AC engineer. It's 2:15 in the afternoon. I don't know when they're going to start, but we'll find out.
Yeah. No, he was asking if the aircon comes with the apartment then.
He cannot get out.
Can I borrow this? Chair.
You don't have ladder, Kuya? You only have screwdriver?
Yes.
Okay. I think it's screwed in from the outside, Koya, on the bracket. Outside there is a bracket. So as you can see, we're waiting. Guys are working on the AC. It looks pretty good, guys. There's Antoinette.
I'm so messy. I didn't have
Antoinette. So we have a man in the toilet. He's filling up the buckets with water. So there's 3 of them, and it's bloody hot.
It's really hot.
Yeah. There we go. They're wibbly wobbly. No. Yeah. It's a 1.5 kilowatt.
Whoa, look, it's moldy.
Yeah. It's messy. Yeah, put sheet, darling. Put one of the covers. That's it. Put this. That's it. Soak up the water that's leaking. There we go. So yeah, a 1.5 kilowatt. We have sunshine. We have a nice breeze coming through here. Yeah. There's a hole in my wall, dear Lila, there's a hole in my wall. Then fix it, my friend. Taking the frame out. Okay.
It's okay to plug in yours there?
Yeah.
Okay, they have a long thing.
No, this is an electric cable.
Okay, so what
This is electric
in the water in the box?
because it goes into a pressure washer. So he has a pressure washer, and he'll go. There we go. So the jet wash has been connected. Nothing technical, no chemicals. It's amazing really, they just come along, they whack it out of the wall and just turn and put it out in the car park and then just start hosing it down with a power washer. This guy's just taking it apart. So I don't know, Kuya. Doing their cleaning. Got rid of the dust, got rid of the dirt, got rid of the unblock. I think that was a little dance. There you go, giving it a wipe. I think the outside shell's quite dirty, but the inside, the motor area, the grey bit where they're working, looks okay. So hopefully that will stop the leaks. I think this bit has the water running out through a tube that runs outside. And I think that tube had got blocked up, so they just jet washed everything out. So, from a glorious afternoon here in Davao. There we go. Putting it back together again. So Annie's on the bed, talking to her brother in Kagi and Diorio. The hole is still here, dear Lila, the hole is here, dear Lila, dear Lila. Oh, look at that. It's a clean unit. we go. Give it a wipe over. How much?
450. No change.
No change?
No change.
So, no, I only have this square.
Hindi, balik mo ng kambyo.
Mo gani. Balik-balik ka.
Balik mo ng
Ha?
kambyo. Balik lang ang kambyo, ma'am.
No, they're return the change later.
Yeah, it's okay.
You don't have any other change there?
No, I don't have anything, darling. Yeah, we return later. Salamat. So there we go. So they will come back with some change later because they don't carry any change, but they want to charge. There we go. AC is working. Annie's now setting up her school